This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset on a locked Motorola phone. So if you have a PIN or a pattern or a swipe password or something like that, you can easily go ahead and get rid of this if you just factory reset your phone. So on your Motorola phone, if you look at the side here, you can see the volume up, volume down. We want to hold down volume down and then the power button at the same time. So when my phone turns on, I can just hold this down for about 15 seconds and it will turn off my phone. So let's do this now so I can see the swipe pattern. So I'm going to hold down power button, volume down, and continue to hold this down for about 15 seconds. The phone is going to turn off, continue to hold this down. And then it's going to vibrate and bring you to the screen. Use volume down and go to recovery mode. Tap power. Now when you see no command, hold down the power button and then tap volume up. Okay, now we can just use our volume keys and go down. Go down to wipe data and factory reset and press power. Then we go to factory data reset right here and tap the power button one more time. And then when you tap that now, it's going to factory reset your phone. And then you should be able to just log in now with your Google email address and password. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.